Resetting network settings on your iPhone 15 can help resolve connectivity issues by clearing all saved Wi-Fi networks, cellular settings, and VPN configurations, potentially fixing problems with internet or network connections. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the succeeding window, tap on Reset. You will see a list of all reset options to choose from. From the options presented, tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode when prompted. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the warning message, then tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Your iPhone will now proceed to reset all network settings to factory defaults. After the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart. Once your device has restarted, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and reconfigure any VPN settings you previously had. This process can help resolve various network-related issues on your iPhone 15, but remember that you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and other network information after the reset. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!